Guys, I'm going to show you the version of Duke Nukem Atomic Edition. So let's run it. Let's see. Good sound. Quality sound. I'm going straight to the stage. I'm going straight to the new stage because we have these first three in the versions, and this Atomic Edition version, it has different phase.
I've got a new problem here. I've got an undercover operative.
This stage is kind of gloomy.
Hey, you're screwing up my vacation.
I don't remember exactly what I had to do here. It's been a long time and I played very little. In this stage I was missing the crosshair. Where's the crosshair? I pressed the button and the crosshair showed upgrade. I'm going to stay here and kill people. Let me see the DNS tooth mallet there, all the DNCOS weapons to become immortal. They call it God mode. Of course, it's no fun to play like this, but since it's a presentation, I'm just showing you. Let me get a gun. Take a little machine gun.
There.
You don't need a card, I already have one. The ammunition too, that's why sometimes the immortal isn't much fun to harvest, right? Harvesting the items, then when you got all the tricks down, it's a bit dull. I don't particularly enjoy playing it. Even the immortal mode is okay, but the weapons mode I find interesting is collecting ammunition and weapons. That's the stage. The extra stage, right? Item atomic.
There's even a place that explodes here. Let me see what happens there.
Oh yes, energy. I don't need it. You're bloodthirsty, right? You'll blast everything in your path. Without pity or mercy. Umbrella over there. Little guy, but I can't remember at what stage this little guy starts appearing. Elevator here. It won't open, it won't open, it won't open. If it doesn't open, what did I come up here for? Going down then? And at the time, there was no YouTube to research what to do. You had to guess. All the ways find out, guess not find out? All the ways. Now, if you don't know, basta on YouTube or Google and search. There's always something. Where was someone? It exploded. I'll write a little card here.
What about this?
MasterCard. I don't know here. Okay. but it's fine. It's just for show, and then let's play it right there. And we're going to Zengato's style. There's Zengato there, who I really like this style of video. His first half hour, is it worth it? Is it worth playing or not? It's worth playing or not, so I'm not going to look like him, but I'm going to do something similar to old games. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, keep in touch, and I'll see you next time.